Why your credit score matters when buying a home. Now, a lot of people know that credit scores are important when buying a home, but they don't actually know the real reason why it actually matters. Now, before we go into it, if you don't know who I am, I'm Isa Vazquez. I'm a licensed mortgage loan officer, and I help people finance their dream homes for a living. So let's get into it. Reason number one, it can affect the interest rate that you qualify for. Now, most people might already know this, but here's how it works. When it comes to mortgages, typically credit scores will range in 20s. So someone with a 660 to 679 credit score will get a certain interest rate. Someone with a 680 credit score up to 699 will get a slightly better interest rate. And then someone with a 700 to 719 might get an even better interest rate. So as you can see, the higher the credit score, the lower interest rate you will most likely qualify for. So you could say that in the long run, the better the credit score, the lower the interest rate, the less you'll pay in interest, which can save you hundreds monthly and thousands yearly. Okay, that first one, most people probably already knew. But reason number two is approvals. Two people with the same amount of income, same amount of debts, but different credit scores can go into a bank for a mortgage and have two different outcomes. The person with a higher credit score might actually be approved for more than the person with the lower credit score due to the perceived risk associated with the lower credit score. The person with the lower credit score might actually be asked to bring in more of a down payment or have extra money set aside in the bank for the lender to feel comfortable lending them that money for the mortgage. Reason number three is different loans available. Now, typically FHA or VA loans will have more laxed credit requirements, and I'll even put up the credit requirements up here. When it comes to conventional loans, the minimum credit score is 620. But you don't really see the biggest benefits of a conventional loan unless you get closer to that 700 range and above. However, if you need a different type of loan, such as an investment property loan or a bank statement loan if you're self-employed, these loans will typically require a 660 to 680 credit score and above in order to qualify. So the higher the credit score, the more loan options you might have. So as you can see, having a higher credit score can lead to more loan options, less interest paid, and having more favorable terms available to you. If you found this helpful, leave a like, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'm more than happy to help. My goal is to educate more people on what it takes to buy a home, and I appreciate your support. See you guys next time.